Okay, swag juice. I'm just gonna show y'all niggas how much cheese I got. Cream. Alright. Check it out. I got racks on top of racks, nigga. I could count from now till tomorrow, man. I got racks on top of racks, man. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Bam, bam. Got racks on top. Wait. I'm not even done. I'm not even done, man. I'm not even done. I'm not even done. I'm not even done. I'm not even done. I'm not even. Yeah. I'm not even done. 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 Just saying, man. I'm just saying. I got stacks. I just saying. I got stacks on top of stacks, man. Shout out to Swag. Team Swag Juice. At them again. Follow me on Twitter. Not gonna stop saying that. Follow me on Twitter. I'm almost over 1,000 now. I'm coming for y'all niggas. Follow me on Twitter at Real Swag Juice, cause you know we always real. Keep it real all the time. What we say? Real. Everything real. We rep the Miami Heat cause it real as hell. King James. We rep G-Shock Watch cause it's real as hell. What else? What else? I'm just saying, man. Look at this. Man, yo. I am Paul. Swag Juice. Matter of fact, shout out to Stacked Up Entertainment. Boss to do a video next week called Bob Marley. For all y'all girls that want to be my video, hit me up on that Twitter at Real Swag Juice at RealSwagJuice. That's all I'm gonna say. If y'all want to be my video, all my niggas that want to be my video too, hit me up on my Twitter. Fuck, I don't care about Facebook right now. Talking about my Twitter. Hit me up on my Twitter. At Swag Juice. At Real Swag Juice. Subscribe to my YouTube page.